Hi guys, welcome back to another vlog. Today we're going to be adding a little pop of spring decor. We're going to be assembling some new furniture, family phone, and so much more. So guys, here we're going to start in the front door. I partnered with JCPenney over on Instagram to refresh some areas of my house, and that's exactly what I did, you guys. I love the pieces that I found from their spring collection, so I will leave the link down below so you guys can shop the looks. Here, those plants that you see there, I got them on TJ Maxx. The little outdoor rug is from Burlington, I'm sorry, and the top one here that I'm putting right now is from Ross. And this beautiful simple wreath is from JCPenney as well. Onto my dining area, I wanted to bring the spring colors, but I wanted to keep the area very simple, very minimal. This beautiful false floral arrangements are by Marisol, so I will link those down below as well. She makes stunning pieces, custom made, you guys, so beautiful. And then here for my credenza on, I just want to put these candle holders that I got from JCPenney as well, and these are so beautiful. I love these candles as well that you put inside. I will link those below. See how simple this look, and it gives it a pep of little coziness with a little light, candle light. I also wanted to share with you a simple table setting for spring. I mean, if you want to add bunnies and stuff, that will make it perfect for Easter, but I just kept it very simple. Those beautiful plates are all from JCPenney, and the napkins are from Hobby Lobby, I believe, and the glasses are from Macy's. The next space that I wanted to give it a refresh for spring, of course, has to be the guest bathroom downstairs. And here I added a few pieces as well from the JCPenney spring collection and also some beautiful arrangements by Marisol. And I love how this space turned out. So guys, that was pretty much all my spring decorating for this video because I have to have surgery on Monday and this was all previously recorded on Sunday. So after that, I was out of commission. So I'm gonna be, behaving good for the next few weeks.
It's 5 a.m. and I'm headed to the hospital. Jonathan's gonna drop me off. Jade stayed with my mom, and I have my hospital bag right here. So I am having a small outpatient surgery. It's 5 a.m. super early. I haven't slept anything because on top of that, my surgery is today. TMI. Yesterday I got my period, so I'm under a lot of pain already. So I spoke to my surgeon last night and he was like, oh, that's nothing. But I would really like for this to be rescheduled because I don't feel comfortable and I'm in a lot.
You guys, so today is day 4 from my surgery. I couldn't record much of the process after the surgery day because honestly, I was in extreme pain. I'm still in pain, but it's more tolerable right now. I'm still at my mom's house. I'm gonna be here for a couple of days. She's gonna be taking care of me. She's taking care of Jaden as well. So it's just painful, but hopefully this pain will go away. I think the hardest part for me is gonna be staying still because this things take 6 to 8 weeks for my insides to heal, my small intestines, the things that they worked on, my stomach, and all of that, and also this diet that I have to follow. It's gonna be hard, but I need to do it.
So as you can see, I couldn't record much the week of the surgery or during the recovery. I was just in a lot of pain. But as soon as I got home Friday night and the next morning on Saturday, of course, I got the hobby to help me assemble my new counter stools that I just finally got, and I'm super excited. I ordered those in tjmax.com, and finally I was able to get a set of 4. So here is Jaden and the hobby putting those together for me. And here's how the bar stools are gonna look in the kitchen. I honestly love how much cozy and warm the kitchen looks now. I know you guys are love the gray and the glam, but I'm, making changes. So then we headed out to get all of the pool equipment. As you can see here, it was a busy Saturday for us.
Just finished picking up some samples for favors. We also order all of our pool equipment as you saw. I am so excited because we were lucky enough to get a good price. So we got a contractor price for equipment, and that's important because we have lost so much money in this pool already. And then we're gonna go now home and kind of try those things out to see which one is the paver that looks the most like the one we have. The company that the pool company purchased my coping, which is the tile that I have around the pool, it's completely sold out. So that means that I need to find something similar to what I have.
So when we were done, I stopped at this Patio District store here in South Florida, and they pretty much built your pergola, your outdoor kitchen, everything all at once together. They have so many cool features in the pergolas, in the kitchen, and also some beautiful furniture. I was obsessed. And here is Jay and Javi playing golf. They could also do that to your backyard. So I love this dining set right here. Of course, it is extremely expensive, and I also like this outdoor furniture set.
Aiden, are you ready to see the monster truck?
Yeah!
Are you excited?
Yeah!
Yes, let's go.
Let's go there now.
Okay.
So you guys, on Saturday night, we took Jaden to Monster Jam. This was our first time going to this event, and honestly, I am so glad that I pulled through and I was able to do this with him. My little guy had a blast. He was super excited. He enjoyed every minute of it. And to be quite honest, you're sitting down, so I was not uncomfortable, because I do have still incision surgery pain, but I was able to handle it and I'm glad I did. And you guys, that was pretty much it for this week/weekend recap of my life. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog, and I will see you all on the next video. God bless.